Welcome into Ken's Fishing and Cooking Channel. My name is Ken. Today I'm out on the Ocmulgee River for a few hours, and we're going to try to catch some fish. I brought some night crawlers with me. I've got a couple of fishing poles, and if we catch something small, we're going to put it on the end of a hook and try to catch something bigger. About ready to anchor.
Does that mean I'm supposed to do something?
As soon as I let you know.
I'm going to have a long time to do it.
Not very long. Get the anchor ready now.
Mm-hmm. Now you can't do that. That might be an idea, you know what I'm talking about?
What's that?
I was say if you had a way where you fix that thing where it pointed on, you probably kind of do.
Well, when I'm by myself, I put it on that seat facing to me.
Oh, that's what I was kind of wondering, like something like, I was thinking about like some PVC pipe, make a frame where you set it right here in the middle of that.
Mm-hmm.
Where it's right centered on you, which this I guess would be kind of centered too. Now you know what, I went down, I probably told you about this at least 17 times.
Uh-huh.
I went down to the beaver pond down below the trailer.
Uh-huh.
And I seen evidence, I guess you call it, of fish moving around this little place that had lily pads around it.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, wonder if that's a bed. Now I happened to be in the boat that day, so I backed the boat up over the water's edge, hitched over there them lily pads. You know what they do when you catch them old brim and stuff or catfish on a bed? The cork moves one time, go boop, and then it's gone. It go boop boop. Yep. Something would make it go. Well, I know what it was because I'd catch it. A brim would make a boop boop.
Mm-hmm.
And I'd pull him in, but I didn't have nothing to hold my boat still. By the time I got reeling in, I was over there at the lily pad till I caught him. Then I'd have to pedal back over to the spot I started at. And I seem like I'm forgetting now, but I caught like, let's say 6 or so fish, and went home, and one of them was a yellow perch, a good sized yellow perch, because you know, I ain't never seen a real big yellow perch.
Not around here.
I guess they have some pretty big ones, but I ain't never seen one. But anyway, the other 6 was all titty brim, red breast. And I want you to know, them titty brim will do some pulling.
I know it.
I just can't hardly imagine what one of them 6-pound shell crackers would do. Because you know, a half-pound shell cracker makes you think it's a damn elephant in the water. What do you reckon 6-pounder would do? He would do a jig, wouldn't he?
That would be something, that's for sure.
Hey, you damn Ken-looking bastard. And you done it to me on purpose, didn't you?
Did what?
I raised up my rod and I got the damn piece of PVC pipe in my hand.
What'd you do that for?
Well, for about 30 seconds. However long it took me to reel it in. mean, you should try. You know, I'm kind of thinking around them sticks might be a good place. But you know, there's always subject. You get hung up around that thing.
Mm-hmm.
You tell the truth though, this is a nice place to fish. I don't know about catching nothing, but it's a nice place to fish.
There was a gar that just swam over there.
A who?
A gar.
Oh. I really don't care about catching no gar. Uh-oh. I thought something bumped my pole, but I never saw the pole move or nothing. But you know, I felt something.
Well, that's probably a small fish then. Or the current, or a stick under the current.
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking if you fill the boat up with water, it got a hole, it's got to leak. You know what it could be though?
What?
You fill the boat up with water and you're waiting for it to leak in it. You said it never leaks out?
That is correct.
Well, now here's the answer then. Suppose your leak, well no, because the trench runs under the seats, don't it?
Yeah.
Now scratch that dang. I ought to have had a good lie there for a minute. Then I remembered them trenches that go under the seat. Because I've had corks get lost that go up under there and won't come out for nothing. It's bad when your pole landed in the water. It's the biggest sound I've heard all day. Now, you know, I'll tell you what this guy I used to work with told me. You might be fishing wrong.
Yeah.
You ready for this?
I'm ready.
He'd get his fishing tackle and stuff and set it down right next to his back steps.
Uh-huh.
Then he'd get him a cooler and put a 6-pack of beer in it.
Uh-huh.
Then he'd sit on the steps, pop him a Coke off, sit on the steps, throw his pole out there in the backyard, and pop a cool one.
Uh-huh.
He said if he ever got a bite, he gonna reel it in, cut that hook off, and throw it back. Pop another cold one. How's that for fishing?
Well, I don't drink, so
So that'd be an awful boring day of fishing.
yeah.
I mean, the fish ain't paying me no attention.
Me either.
I mean, you didn't need it.
Yeah.
Oh,
What the hell are you doing?
I hung you.
Why?
Let's see why. I don't know. Can you see my line where I'm hung up?
You're not hung up.
My line's tight going down that way. Where's
No,
that?
it's not. Just reel it in.
That didn't do too good. I ain't no depth there. I didn't think I was going back there far enough.
You didn't go far. You went 3 feet,
I mean,
and it hit my pole.
that's why I'm saying I didn't think I went far enough to hit it.
Why are you throwing it in front of you?
Well, that's where I want to fish.
But that's where the anchor is, isn't it?
I don't know. Yep, sure is. That's probably a bad idea, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I told you about that guy come out the pond and caught that. He estimated his weight was 2.5 pound red breast,
Mm-hmm.
which at the time just busted the damn record out of the books.
Mm-hmm.
Because the record was under 1.5 pounds. That's the biggest damn, way the biggest I ever seen. That one made a titty brim look little.
But I thought that you couldn't get a record out of a pond. You have to get
You
it out
could
of.
back then.
Oh, you could back then?
They changed the rules since then.
Oh, okay.
But now they say you can't get one out of a private pond.
Because you could be growing them that big.
Yeah, you could just grow the fish and and catch it, and that ain't right. But if that's the case, how come say 4 of the 6 world record shell crackers come out of that mill pond in Florida?
I don't know.
I mean, you gotta wonder. Maybe there's something to do with the size of the pond. You reckon? Because this mill pond is a mile long.
Is it a private pond?
I don't know, but it's kind of hard to believe that one person owns a mile-long pond, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
That'd be several acres, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Last I knew, if you went down there and you rented a boat from them, the boat was $10 a day. If you went in there to ask about renting a boat, that was $10. You kind of following this trick?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they would $10 you to death. Whatever it was, what I remember, if I did get down there and decided to go fishing one day,
Mm-hmm.
once I got there, it cost me another $50 just to drown a worm. That'd be a lot of money if me and you went down there, wouldn't it? 'Cause that'd be $100 probably, wouldn't it? Well, it wouldn't be as much because both of us getting the same $10 boat, couldn't we?
Yeah.
But like I said, you got to pay $10.
I doubt it's $10 a boat now.
Oh yeah, that's what I said. That was back a good while back. You know what's the damn shameful thing about it?
What's that?
I seen that. I said, this is a pretty looking area down here. I ought to ride through some of these different roads and find out what's here. And I used to see a thing that would say something, but nothing ever said Mill Pond.
Right.
If it said Mill Pond, Roger would have went. And I wish I could get through with them damn brakes, but I ain't. There's some things people can do and some they can't.
I got one.
How'd that happen?
Ooh, did you see that fish?
No.
Ooh, man.
That was right there close to you?
No, that one back there.
Oh no. You mean I should have been kind of looking at it?
Well, if you would have been looking that way, you would have saw it because it was about as big as this boat.
Well, I sure didn't see nothing, but I'm kind of, I mean, you'd think I'd have seen it. Well, the thing is, see, my cataract on my one eye is bad enough, my left eye is bad enough.
Look at that.
I could be looking down and see, I seen him, he ain't very big, is he?
No,
He's
he
a little
ain't.
bigger than I thought, though.
Me too. I got him too.
I just had that little nibble, ain't hitting shit else.
You got one?
No. But he bit, and I tried to set it, and he said, nope. Unless it's, you know, smaller than a worm.
Uh-huh. That's a possibility.
But at least I had a bite finally.
I got one as big as the worm.
Same size as your worm.
Yeah.
He's
He's not even small. I don't think he's even big enough to fry up.
Right about the same time.
Yeah.
But mine turned into, oh shit. You know what I'm talking about. Well, I mean, let's don't say fishing. Let's say I wouldn't be on the river. I mean, I don't know if you can call what I'm doing fishing. Can you call it fishing if you're doing as good as I'm doing?
Yeah, I wouldn't call it catching, just fishing.
That's for darn sure. How the engineer, you say, he didn't want to go fishing. He wanted to go catching. And you know what I wished I had enough sense to do?
Catch one like me?
Here we go.
Oh, he just let it go.
No, I wished I had enough smarts to, you know, when the fish are biting and all this stuff, to take him fishing invited to go fishing, take him one day where he actually got to go, yes, my worm was gone. I just thought about my worm was gone when I pulled it in.
Okay.
I didn't never feel no bite.
You need another
Whole worm, yeah.
whole worm. There you go.
I mean, really kind of fishing one. She and going home and stuff, and all this. And Charlotte was, oh shit, you like to hit me in the head with that thing. Taking the kids with her, and that Phoenix would pitch a bitch if she tried to take him anywhere without me. and that wouldn't surprise me. Now he probably would have. But and anyway, so he told me, he said, you got to sneak off. Phoenix can't notice you're leaving.
They're getting smaller.
Cause he would pick one because you were leaving, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And so, you know what I done to make sure so Phoenix wouldn't know what I was doing? I got Phoenix to come and help me clean up my room. And as we were cleaning up my room, we were putting stuff in boxes, right, and putting it in the car while we cleaned the room.
And I got one that might be more than 3 ounces.
And I really don't.
I don't know though.
I really don't see myself going down there no more. You know what I'm saying?
Well,
But I just don't. I don't eat. Well, her darn stepmama and daddy lived with her for how long? For a good bit longer.
maybe she doesn't consider them company.
You don't consider them company?
Yeah, maybe.
Well, I mean, it could be 'cause her family's all right. You know how people are.
Uh-huh.
They strange. And then at 10 years, you have to have the surgery done again.
Oh, this one feels bigger.
I'm from Missouri. You know what I'm saying? That, what do you call it? That's it, the show me state.
Uh-huh.
I want to see.
Well, I'm just glad it feels bigger.
Ain't that the truth?
It might not be any bigger, but it feels a little bigger. It's not much bigger.
Hell, it ain't even as big. What you
He
call
ain't
big,
even
much
bigger.
bigger.
He was bigger than the last one I caught.
Oh.
But he pulled harder.
I was talking about bigger than the one in the
No, huh?
the
He's
baby,
not.
the baby in the cooler.
No.
I'm pulling mine. I'm tired of this mess. I'm gonna throw mine further out in the river, like you do. Because apparently there must be something to do with out in that river.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video today. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, if you've liked what you've seen, and we'll see you on our next fishing adventure.